Hey everyone, welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I help educate you in becoming a better trader and investor. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Lemonade stock. Before we start, I want to thank all of you guys once again for all the support we have been receiving. Once again, we are on the road to 400 subscribers. I would also love each and every single one of you guys to actually join the Prosperous Life family. And all you gotta do is simply like the video and subscribe to this channel for similar content in order to join the family. My goal is to create the biggest community of like-minded traders and investors in order for all of us to grow within our trading and investing journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and see a company overview of Lemonade. As we can see here on the company's front page, we see how Lemonade offers homeowners and renters insurance in the United States and contents and liability insurance in Germany and the Netherlands through its full stack insurance carriers. One of the most notable things about this company is that they are powered by artificial intelligence and behavioral economics. As you can see, Lemonade is set out to replace brokers and bureaucracy with bots and machine learning, aiming for zero paperwork and instant everything. This is a certified B Corp, and it gives excess premiums to nonprofits selected by its community during its annual giveback. And at the bottom here, we see how Lemonade is currently available for most of the United States, Germany, and the Netherlands, and continues to expand globally. So one of the first things we see about this company overview is how they are actually powered by artificial intelligence. And this is a great thing because this will not only allow them to make this process a lot more seamless to all of their customers, but it'll actually allow them to save money over the long run with their use of high-end technology. So now that we have a company overview, let's go ahead and continue on to the website to see what Lemonade has to offer. The very first thing you see here is that it says forget everything you know about insurance, instant everything, no-brainer prices, and a big heart. The great thing is all you gotta do is simply click this button, check our prices to get a wide variety of prices for the type of insurance which you would like. Scrolling down here, we do see how they were featured in multiple magazines and that they are the almost 5-star insurance company. Right under the stars, we do see lots of reviews from many customers, and under that we do see more information which says homeowners, renters, and pet health insurance built for the 21st century, and it says that Lemonade's amazing coverage protects the stuff you own at home and everywhere else. One of the great and notable things is that it says instant everything. It says Maya, which is their charming artificial intelligence bot, is going to craft the perfect insurance for you, and it couldn't be easier or faster. As you can see, it says that it takes 90 seconds to get insured, and it takes just 3 minutes to get paid. Alongside that, you can go ahead and click see the Lemonade app in action. And this actually once again shows you how you can get insurance in 90 seconds with the Lemonade app. And all you got to do is just simply tell them where you live, and then swipe through a couple of questions with the artificial intelligence bot. Once you've done that, their artificial intelligence has a policy for you, and you can customize it and adjust your coverage easily through the application. And lastly, you can choose a cost that matters to you so that you can give back your unclaimed money. And as simple as that, you are now covered. And filing a claim as well is just as easy. Their artificial intelligence gym is going to ask you some questions, and there are no forms to fill out. All you got to do is just speak to the camera. And then you tell them what was damaged or stolen. And lastly, you get paid in no time and then go ahead and party. So this video is actually available on the Lemonade website in case you guys want to get more information and check that out. Another great thing down here, we see how it says no-brainer prices, monthly subscription. You have renters insurance starting monthly from $5, homeowners insurance starting from $25 a month, and pet health insurance starting $10 a month. Under here, it says that if you are already insured, to switch to Lemonade instantly. As you can see, here are the percentages of the people that actually left their insurance companies to actually join Lemonade. As you can see, yep, 19% from Allstate, 16% from State Farm, and over 31% from Farmers, Homesite, Progressive, etc. Another great thing we see here is how Lemonade works. As you can see, Lemonade reverses the traditional insurance model. They treat the premiums you pay as if it is your money. All they do is take a flat fee, pay claims super fast, and give back what's left to the causes that you care about. And here we have 3 simple pictures in order to describe that. A flat fee to run everything, they pay claims super fast, and if there's money left over, we give it back to causes. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some numbers for Lemonade Inc. As I always tell all of my investors, a company can have the best product or service, but once again, us as investors have to look at the financials, which include the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements to get a better idea and understanding of not only the company, but their overall business model and how they actually handle their money throughout the business. So starting off right here, first thing we see here is the sales and revenue, how they have actually increased from 2017 all the way to 2019 at a very, very exponential growth rate. Even though their sales and revenue has increased, we do see that things such as their operating income has increased as well. Now, one thing to know is that this company is not profitable just yet, which is actually a very common thing when it comes to many companies which are in their first few years of development, due to the fact that they can invest the money back into the business in order to grow and expand, as there is still lots of room for growth. So once again, adding back to that, they actually revealed both increased revenue and net loss in the year of 2019. As we can see that specifically, the company's revenue skyrocketed by nearly 200% in 2019 to 67.3 million compared to 22.5 million in 2018. But once again, the net loss was up by 105% to $108.5 million in the year 2019 compared to $52.9 million in the year 2018. And we even see here how Lemonade said that it expects that its net loss will actually increase in the near term, as once again it continues to invest in growing its business. Continuing on that, the company also said that it has not been profitable since its inception in the year 2015 and had an accumulated deficit of $198.3 million and $234.8 million as of December 31st, 2019 and March 31st, 2020 respectively. Looking at some more metrics, the number of homes that it insures meanwhile actually grew to 425,000 in the year 2018, which is covering just shy of $50 billion in total insured value, compared to just over 100,000 at the end of 2017. So as you can see, even though they are not profitable just yet, they do continue to grow and expand at a very quick and exponential pace. Another surprising fact is once its initial public offering was offered in July, Lemonade stock actually rallied over 138% and pushed the company's market valuation to $3 billion. For a company to go public and actually have a stock rally of over 138% does not only tell you about the company's business and overall model, but also tells you about the confidence of investors with this company. So what actually makes this insurance company stand out from many others? One of the things is that nearly 70% of this app's users are below the age of 35. Now this is actually a very important key thing due to the fact that we can see how this application is actually marketing towards a younger generation, as this company is making it very easy for all individuals in order to sign up for insurance and create it hassle-free instead of going through other traditional routes which do take a longer time and are not as efficient. So we can see how Lemonade is actually trying to eliminate this process of buying insurance, which could be a very tedious and long process. One of the things which I actually like about this business is that they are a brand that is built on trust. As we can see here in this article, the insurance industry is often perceived as untrustworthy, but Lemonade hopes to fix this costly problem with total transparency. As you can see in an interview with CNBC, Lemonade's CEO actually said that the customer will have full visibility on where every cent of their money is going. Directly from the Lemonade CEO, he said, "You pay me $1 and I tell you in advance that I'm going to keep 25 cents on the dollar, and if there is money left over after paying claims, I'm going to give it to charity of your choosing." So I think this is an overall positive thing due to the fact that not only does it actually build trust to its customers, but also along to its investors due to the fact that there is total transparency when it comes to this business model, which will not only help them grow and expand, but also become a very successful insurance company in the near future. Now let's go ahead and take a more technical look at Lemonade stock. So on the screen, you are looking at the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim trading platform, which is my platform of choice for trading and investing. We are also currently looking at a 180-day chart. To give you guys some quick background about these technical indicators, the blue line you see right here is a 9-day exponential moving average. Under that we have the volume, and right under that we have something called the MACD. Now what the MACD does is actually helps us with entry and exit strategies whenever these two lines intersect. And right below that we have the RSI, and what the RSI actually does is help us determine whether a stock is currently overvalued or undervalued based on price action. Starting off, we see how there was a low of $49.02 and a high of over $96.51. Now one thing to note is that this stock is currently very volatile, not only because it actually just went public not too long ago, but also due to current market volatility, as many stocks are actually volatile during this time. Now a few things that we can see here is that this stock has actually been in a downtrend from around the $83 price point and consistently using this 9-day exponential moving average as sort of a resistance line and still continuing to downtrend. Now one thing we see here is how it has actually recently broke through this 9-day exponential moving average and starting to go up. Now what this does is actually show a sign of an uptrend, which means that the stock has the potential to go up. Under here we have our other indicators, which the MACD actually showed us a buying signal not too long ago, and the RSI actually showed undervaluation. I always tell all of my investors to never invest solely based on these indicators. Depending on your investing strategy, whether you're a short-term trader or long-term investor, you have to have an entry and exit point, and all these technical indicators have to do is just confirm your original game plan. So looking at this, the stock price is currently at around $61.14. So with the RSI actually showing that it was undervalued not too long ago, and the MACD actually showing a buying point and the price point going above the 9-day exponential moving average, these are indicators of a buying point. But once again, you guys have to take into consideration that many things are going on in the markets right now, and once again, volatility is a factor which could actually affect this stock. So that is one thing I want to let you guys know. But as of right now, since it has been in a downtrend for quite a few days, I do think that this stock has potential to rise back up for some nice gains. Another thing which I always tell all of my investors out there is to perform your own due diligence and extensive research. Once again, every stock comes with risk, and you should always have proper risk management and stop losses in case a trade or investment does not go your way. So this was an overall technical look at Lemonade stock. So now I want to know, what do you guys think about this stock? I would love to know what you guys think about this stock down in the comments below. And also let me know, are you guys initiating a position or actually have one? Or what is your overall opinion on this stock? Now, as of now, I currently do not have a position just yet in this company due to the fact that I would like to see them continue to increase their revenue and sales and also start to decrease their losses so that I can see that they're getting closer to actually becoming a profitable company. Now, I'm not saying that this is not a good investment. I'm just simply giving you guys my personal opinion, which is that I'm currently waiting in order to see more results from this company, even though they are having lots and lots of growth and success. So with that being said, I would love each and every one of you guys to actually join the Prosperous Life family. And all you got to do is simply like this video and subscribe to the channel to join the family. Once again, my goal here is to create the largest community of like-minded traders and investors in order for all of us to continue to grow and expand. And I always urge all of you guys to comment down below and even talk to each other, give each other opinions, or even just give each other information on this stock and other things revolving around the stock market. I hope you all had an amazing day. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all, and I will see you all in the next video.